Hi everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube series called Compressed Air Advice. In today's video, we are going to talk about our on-site nitrogen generators. First off, what are the benefits of having an on-site nitrogen generator? Well, usually, nitrogen is stored in big cylinders which get filled up periodically with purchased liquid nitrogen. This option puts quite a lot on the environment. The logistics on your site require time from your personnel. There's always a portion of gas that is wasted, and they come with certain workplace risks, and that's without mentioning the price tag after a couple of years. On-site generator remedies all of these shortcomings. It can be achieved at a fraction of the cost incurred when sourcing it from a vendor and leaves a low environmental footprint. Let's see the benefits of using an on-site nitrogen generator. Lowest total cost per unit of nitrogen produced. Improved bottom line. 2. No long-term and complex third-party supply contracts. Stable and predictable costs. 3. Zero gas and money wastage. Cost of gas production proportional to usage. 4. Absence of order processing for refills. Lower admin logistics costs. 5. Total safety. No large amounts of gas stored on site. 6. No storage and transportation costs. Low environmental footprint. How do you generate your own nitrogen with compressed air? On-site nitrogen generators can make use of either PSI technology. Generators that use this technology are capable of high levels of purity, up to 99.999%, and flow 1,100 cubic meters per hour, which is demanded in the electronics, chemicals, and pharmaceutical industries. On-site nitrogen generators that use this technology consists of two connected towers that produce a near continuous flow of nitrogen. Membrane technology. Nitrogen generated through this method can achieve purity levels in the range of 95% to 99.5% adjustable and flow up to 500 cubic meters per hour. This is ideal for use in fire prevention, plastic injection, molding, and food preservation. On-site nitrogen generators that use membrane technology have the advantage of having a small footprint, low maintenance, and low energy needs. If you work in food and beverage packaging, pharmaceuticals, electronics, laboratories, oil and gas, fire prevention, or in the general industry, our generators might be the perfect fit for you. If you have any questions about the generators, feel free to click the link in the description below or to join us on our website. Thank you everyone for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos.